Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to activate Gemini in Samsung. Actually, this tutorial is not just for Samsung, but for anyone who uses Android if you have the same settings. So you have to go to your Google Play Store. And then this time, what you're going to do is you have to search for Gemini. Okay, you can install Gemini if you can see Gemini AI here, or you can search for Google. So tap Google and then install Google Gemini or Google. So once you have installed this one, then what you're going to do is you can launch this Google application right here. Open your Google, and then this time you have to click your profile at the top right corner and then scroll down to find settings. So let me tap my profile right here and then look for settings. Now under settings, you have to look for search, assistant, and voice. Click this one, scroll down, then you will see this Gemini setting or option right here. What you're going to do is you have to simply click switch. As you can see, switch to Gemini from Google Assistant. So tap switch right here, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you can scroll down here to see more information about this one. Tap use Gemini, and that's it. So basically, that's how easy it is to activate Gemini AI in Samsung. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.